A soldier stands at the border, waiting for orders. But this time, he's not the one moving forward. Something else is. It doesn't feel fear. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't even need to come back. And before anyone realizes, the mission is already complete. Welcome to 2026, where the battlefield has changed and the one leading it is no longer human. Part 1. The shift no one could stop for decades. Wars were defined by soldiers, boots on the ground, lines on maps, human presence deciding outcomes. Crossing a border meant risk. Holding a position meant sacrifice. But over time, technology started to take a different role. At first, it supported soldiers. Then it guided them. And now in 2026, it's replacing them. Drones are no longer just tools. They are becoming the main force. Part 2, from support to control. Early drones were simple. They observed. They collected information. But that phase didn't last long. With advancements in AI systems, real-time data processing, and autonomous navigation, drones evolved. Now they don't just watch. They decide routes. They adjust movements. They complete missions with minimal input. Part 3, why drones are taking over. The biggest difference is simple. A soldier has limits. A drone doesn't. A soldier gets tired. A drone keeps going. A soldier faces danger. A drone avoids it. Modern drones now use low visibility systems. They reduce signals. They avoid detection. Part 4. The border no longer stops anyone in traditional warfare. Borders were everything. Crossing them required planning, approval, and significant risk. But drones don't operate the same way. They don't wait at checkpoints. They don't need physical entry routes. They move above, around, and sometimes completely unnoticed. In 2026, this has become one of the biggest strategic advantages. Operations can now happen without large movements of troops, without visible buildups, without early warnings. And by the time anyone reacts, the operation is already over. Part 5. Speed, safety, and scale. 3 things define modern drone operations: speed, safety, scale. Speed, because drones can be deployed instantly. No long mobilization, no delays. Safety, because human presence is reduced. Risks are minimized. Scale, because multiple drones can operate together. In recent 2026 scenarios, drone swarms have been used to complete missions simultaneously. Instead of one soldier doing one task, dozens of drones perform multiple tasks at once. Surveillance, coordination, execution, all happening in real time. This level of efficiency was never possible before. Part 6. The new type of soldier. But here's the interesting part. The soldier isn't completely gone. The role has changed. Today's soldier is no longer just on the battlefield. They are behind screens, inside control rooms, managing systems. Instead of carrying equipment, they operate advanced platforms. Instead of moving physically, they guide operations remotely. This shift has redefined what it means to serve. The battlefield is no longer just a place. It's a network. Part 7. Real impact in 2026. Throughout 2026, multiple operations have shown this transformation clearly. Drone systems have handled reconnaissance missions, precision tasks, high-risk entries, all without traditional troop movement. Even more importantly, they've reduced the need for large-scale deployments. This has changed planning strategies, changed timelines, and changed expectations. Because now, success is not just about strength, it's about smart systems. Part 8. What comes next? So where does this lead? If 2026 is the turning point, the future is already taking shape. More advanced drones, smarter systems, faster responses, and even greater independence. We are moving toward a time where operations can be planned, executed, and completed with minimal human presence. Not because humans are less capable, but because machines can operate in ways humans cannot. The image of a soldier crossing a battlefield will always be part of history, but 2026 introduced a new reality, one where missions begin silently, progress instantly, and finish before anyone notices. The soldier is not gone, but the battlefield no longer depends on him alone. Because now, the drone has taken the lead.